Okay, so here's the home screen for the Amazon Fire Stick, and then here's my remote. So all you have to do is double tap the home button, and it automatically starts the Kodi app, or the program. So then here's your videos. So these are all your different add-ons. It comes already set up with a bunch of add-ons. This is where you find all your content, your movies, your music, your shows, sports. Here's other add-ons you can go through. There's just like so much content. There's just different stuff. I mean, you can get lost in here for days trying to find whatever you want. But since it's already kind of set up, and some of the ones that normally everybody else uses, like the Exodus and the Salt and Phoenix, so we'll just go right to Exodus. And I'll put Genesis on here. That's it's not on here, but I will make sure we put that on there on all of them. So go to Exodus. So there's your show. There's your content. So let's say a movie, for instance, and then we'll just find most popular. And then let's go to. We'll just try. Let's see. Age of Ultron. You just click on it, and it does its little thing. Oh, and then just pick this. Yeah, I just usually start from the top, and then let it load. And on the bottom it'll say if it's working, and if it works, there's my finger, it'll tell you. If not, you just go down to the next one. And there we go. And now it'll play the movie. And that's basically it. For the most part, they all work on the first one, depending on how old the movie is. I mean, obviously the ones that are out in the theaters, you're going to get cams, but as time progresses and the longer the movie's been out, or if it's already out on DVD, it'll be here. And obviously this isn't the best screen, but it'll stream at 1080p, but this is only a 720 screen. It's a little monitor I have on my desk. But yeah, essentially that's it. So I'll just do a show real quick. So we'll go back. Let's see. Let's go TV shows. Let's see, most popular. And the faster the internet, the faster all this functions. I'm upstairs, like the furthest away from my router, just to set all this stuff up. But yeah, the closer you are, the faster it works. So we like to watch The Walking Dead. So there's The Walking Dead. There's all your seasons. Season 6, that's the most recent season. Here's all the recent seasons up until the one that came out this last Sunday. Then you just select it, let it do its thing. It's going. Like I said, the closer you are to your router, the faster all this functions. But let me I'll just let it run. That way you can see how long it takes sometimes. Okay, so there are your streams. Go ahead and select one. And that's working. So there you go. Now you got The Walking Dead. Takes a little work. I mean, shoot, you pay an X amount of dollars, but you don't have to pay for, so it does make you work a little bit. But hey, you're not paying for a bill, so then you can just go home. So you can, let's say you pause this, and then we can get out of it, and then we go all the way out. And there's other stuff in here that I usually just watch it for shows and movies. But there's other content in here. You can get really deep into it. pay-per-view shows, live shows. So if you have any questions about that stuff, just let me know. But like I said, just get in there, dive in there, start clicking buttons. You can't break it. If you break it, I'll fix it. So don't worry. You can still use this as a Fire Stick. You can, if you don't want to pay for this stuff, or if you do want, like I see, you already have a Netflix account or a Hulu account or Amazon Prime or something like that. By all means, you can still use this thing as what it's intended for. They're all your stuff is there. Music, pictures. So you just press your home screen and it goes back to your regular home screen, or you double tap the home button on the remote control, and I program it that way so that you can jump back and forth. And there you go, back to the Kodi. So any questions, let me know.